If you're experiencing login failure 2025 in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Elden Ring website or social media channels to check if the game servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches or connection issues that may be causing the login failure. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak or unstable, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 4. Update the game. Check for any available updates for Elden Ring. Keeping your game updated ensures that you have the latest patches and fixes that may resolve login issues. Download and install any updates before trying to log in again. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Elden Ring. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. Make sure to back up your game data if necessary before proceeding. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue and enjoy your time in Elden Ring. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.